In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Start menu not working critical error in Windows 10.
First press Alt-Control-Delete. Open your Task Manager. Locate the Windows Explorer service. Right-click it and select End Task. Click on File. Click on Run New Task. In Open, type Explorer.x. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If this didn't work, open your Task Manager again. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type PowerShell and open it as administrator. Type sfc/scanow and then press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Now copy and paste the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. If this didn't work, open PowerShell again. Copy the second text that you'll find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit and then press Enter. If this didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed.